Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a plugin to your website. So again, we've logged in and we're at the dashboard. We're going to go over here on the left to plugins. If you highlight over that, it's going to say install plugins, but we want to add new. So click on add new and I'm going to go to this page. And there's a couple ways you can search. You can go to featured. Click on featured. It's going to show you all the featured WordPress plugins at that time. And so those are the featured ones. You can go to popular. That's going to show you some popular ones. So if you don't really know what you want to add, this might be a good idea just to kind of see what other people are adding to their pages. And you can go to newest, like if you're always just kind of looking to see what the newest plugin out there, you can go that, and then recently updated, so if someone's made an update. But say you know specifically you want a certain type of plugin, then you can go here and do a search, and you can search for term, or if you know there's a certain person that creates good plugins and you want to see if you know what they have out there, or can go by tag. A lot of times I'll just search by term. And here's some popular tags that people have, and so that might be a good way to look for things. So let's just say I want I want Twitter. So I want to see what's out there for Twitter. And so it's going to bring up all these different plugins. And so you'll see out here, you'll see the name, the version, the rating, and then just a description of it, and then who it's created by. And so you get to see all that information. If you find something, if you kind of know what you already wanted, but you didn't know the exact name, and when you see it you know it, you can just do install now, or you can click on details. Click on details. It's going to pull up this, and it's going to give you a description. It's going to say, okay, your rating, but how many people have actually rated it, and then it's compatible to, and that's the version of WordPress. So that's important. If you are on a higher version of WordPress, you might want to be careful about adding this in, and then just give some information there. You can do installation, what you're going to do, screenshots. If they've added any screenshots, you can add that. You can see those there, and then change log and FAQs. So that's just some information there. If you see everything, go ahead and click install, and it will install your your new plugin. Now, a lot of times I don't want to actually install that one, but we're going to go to install the plugins. Just because a plugin has been installed doesn't actually mean that it's active. So if you look up here, you see all, and that's going to show you all the different plugins. But out of 17, only 13 are active. Four of them are inactive. So if I click on inactive ones, it's going to show me those. You actually have to, once it's installed, you actually have to go in and actually activate it. Now, a couple things: the edit and the delete. The edit can be kind of deceiving. Usually, this edit doesn't mean where you're going to go to make your changes, unless you're a programmer and you really know what you're doing. You're probably not going to go this, because this is actually the code for it. And again, unless you know what you're doing, you don't want to mess with this. And then if you wanted to delete it, say you're like, no, this is not what I wanted, it's probably good to just go ahead and delete it so that your site's a little bit cleaner. Even if people don't see it, it's good to have everything cleared out so you're not having to figure out what stuff you're actually using. So anyhow, so that is installing a plugin onto your WordPress website. Thanks.